46 minutes. That's how long TikTok's 1 billion users spend watching content each day. Imagine being able to capture someone's attention for that long every single day. It's kind of crazy, right? Let's see if I can hold yours for the next 3 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use influencer marketing to grow your brand on Amazon and beyond. I'm Alex from Perpetua, and this is Growth 101. So what is influencer marketing? Influencers are online content creators that post videos and photos to their audiences on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and any other social platform. Influencer marketing is working with these influencers to reach their audiences by creating content about your products and brand. This can be hugely impactful as consumers are spending more and more time watching content on socials versus traditional forms of media. How to improve your organic rank. Organic rank is arguably one of the most important metrics to your e-commerce business. As it turns out, social media influencers are incredibly effective at improving your rank. We're seeing some of our clients' ranks improve by as many as 15 slots on the first results page on Amazon. That's a 60% improvement. Having influencers talk about your products and brand on social platforms like Instagram and TikTok makes viewers search for you and purchase your product on Amazon. This offsite traffic is hugely beneficial and can make all the difference between being on the second or the first page of the results. Make sure the creators mention your brand name and ask them to describe the product in the same terms that you'd like viewers to search in. For example, if you're selling a bag, is it a travel bag, a laptop bag, or a backpack? The creative content cycle. Your branded content on social media is not just an ad. It's a forum to interact, a chance to engage whole new audiences and to create high-quality pieces of content that you can use in all your marketing efforts. In order to truly connect with an audience or have the chance at going viral, you should look to create high-energy content that makes viewers smile or makes them impressed or makes them fall in love with your brand. Give creative freedom to your influencers so they can do what they do best and make content that entertains and grabs people's attention. Take a look at some of these amazing comments we've been getting on our clients' TikToks. Friends tagging friends, telling them to pick up this product, others saying how much they love them, even one that said this was the best advertising they've ever seen. Kind of hard to beat that, eh? A great thing to do when you see this happening is to engage. Dive into the comment sections and respond to some of these amazing people who are either singing praises about your product or asking questions. 15 cents per click. That's how cheap it can be for you to boost influencers' content. Tools like Spark Ads on TikTok and boosting on Instagram allow you to take this amazing content and promote it to a whole new audience of viewers. You get to choose the demographic based on age, interests, location, and a ton of other factors. The posts look like it's coming from the creator's page, making it feel organic and hence more compelling. This makes boosting an essential part of being successful with influencer marketing. The user-generated content you get from creators will often come off as more genuine and compelling than scripted-out professional productions. These influencers are creative, engaging, and experts at what they do, so their content should be treated as a valuable resource that you can use in your other marketing efforts. To increase the impact of their content, ask them to give you usage rights and repost it on your socials or turn it into an ad on Facebook or Instagram. If you've got the tools and expertise, you can even convert it into a sponsored brands video on Amazon. Are you looking to level up your influencer marketing? Perpetua can help you with our network of over 100,000 influencers that make it incredibly easy to create content, track impact, and scale with Spark Ads. To learn more, please reach out to your dedicated data strategist or hello@perpetua.io.